I'm Bishar Ayad from the company Look2Innovate, and we're launching the Spotphonics Directional speakers. Here's an example. This is a sound shower. Please hear. You can hear it under the shower. And then if you move a little bit, then you don't hear it anymore. And here is the Spotphonics. We have a range of products, starting from very powerful ones to products that you can put in a ceiling. And the sound quality is much better than before. And the solution is wide. We can address places that you have strong background noise, or quiet places with small ceiling or large ceiling. So please contact us on spotphonics.com or on look2innovate.com. Thank you very much.